Krishna! We will learn to make interesting soaps today. Cut the soap base into small cubes. Now our cubes are ready to melt. Melt them in microwave. For my first soap, I am using this mold. Pour the melted soap into the mold. Fill them halfway. I have some Barbie erasers. Here comes the interesting part. Put the eraser in the soap base. Once your soap starts to thicken, now in the remaining soap base, add some coconut oil and some honey. Fill the remaining cavity with the soap. Keep it aside to set. Next is watermelon soap. For this we need black sesame seeds, watermelon oil, a red soap making color, green soap making color, any round container, extra clear soap base and goat milk soap base. Grease the container with Vaseline. Melt extra clear soap base. Add a drop of green color and 5 drops of essential oil. Pour this in round container. Keep this in fridge for 10 minutes. Now pour goat milk soap base. Keep it in fridge for again 10 minutes. For the third layer, take extra clear soap base. Add 2 drops of red color. Ten drops of watermelon essential oil. Add black sesame seeds. Now add this to the white layer. And freeze it again for 10 minutes. Cut the soap into pieces like this. Let's unmold the soap. Now let's see. See, beautiful watermelon soap is ready. Now we are making rose milk honey soap. For this we need goat milk soap base, muffin molds, milk powder, honey, dry rose petals. Melt the soap base. Add milk powder, honey. Put some rose petals in the muffin mold. Pour the soap base now. Put some more rose petals on the top. Let them dry for half an hour. Let's unmold them. See, it's so beautiful. I just loved it. I'm just feeling like I just want to bath with it just now. See behind the shape. Next we are making neem soap. Add some dry neem leaves to the melted soap. Add 2-3 drops of lemongrass essential oil. Pour the mixture into mold. We will make orange soap. Add orange peel powder in melted soap. some rose water. Now pour in the mold. Use them for yourselves or gift them to your loved ones. You can pack them with clean wrap like this. If you want to buy homemade organic soaps, you may contact at the email ID given below in the description box. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.